Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Tinder account permanently using your smartphone. This process is the same on both Android and iPhone, so let's dive in. Firstly, start by opening the Tinder app on your smartphone. On the Tinder homepage, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. In your profile, tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. You'll see the option to delete account. Tap on it. If you prefer to keep your account but not the shown to others, you can choose to pause my account instead. However, if you want to delete your account permanently, tap delete my account. On the next page, you'll have to select the reason for deleting your account from the list provided. If your reason isn't listed, just select Other. After selecting your reason, tap Continue Account Deletion. A prompt will appear informing you that by typing Delete My Account, you will lose access to your profile, messages, photos, and matches. Just remember, Tinder delays the deletion process for 90 days for safety reasons. If you log back in during this time, the deletion request will be cancelled. To finalize, click on Delete My Account. You'll be automatically logged out, confirming that your account has been deleted. And that's how you permanently delete your Tinder account on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you want to delete your Plenty of Fish account on mobile, check out my other tutorial linked in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.